How far would you go for the glow? Introducing Glow's Iridescent Brightening Foam Cleanser. Enriched with rosehip oil, a nourishing vitamin elixir which is going to leave your skin moisturized and brightened. It contains vitamin A, C, D, and E which repair and nourish the skin, giving you a natural radiance. The coconut-derived natural cleanser hydrates and heals the skin. The oxygen foam bubbles remove impurities and dust from your skin, leaving it soft and supple. It's finished with pearl powder that gives your skin a holographic glow. Pump a small amount of this iridescent brightening foam cleanser onto your palm. Apply on damp skin and gently massage in circular motions. Use this foam cleanser twice a day, in the morning and in the night. Follow with Glow Iridescent Brightening Toner. Do it till you glow. Go ahead and download the MyGlamm app and don't forget to grab your glow products.